This week's hot news. Mortgage rates have dropped once again. So why aren't more home buyers taking advantage of that? Details in a minute. Hi everybody, it's Joe Hillner with your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty, where we will list, market, and sell your home for just a 1% commission, guaranteed. Okay, so every week I share market data to keep you informed of the local real estate market. Here is this week's Boca Market Watch. First, single-family homes. This past week, another down week with only 46 new homes on the market, ranging from 95 grand to 5 million. 14 homes back on the market, while 24 homes listed took a price decrease and 8 sellers raised their asking price. And another so-so week with 50 different properties under contract and only 23 going pending. And just 17 homes unsuccessful in selling and taken off the market or expired outright. And a really poor week with only 46 homes sold in the past week. Wow, ranging from 332 grand to 7.8 million. Next up, condos and townhomes. 71 new listings, not too bad, and ranging from 57 grand to 5.4 million. 25 units back on the market, 27 properties with a price decrease and 7 sellers with an increase. And 44 different properties went under contract and another 33 went pending. Kind of a quiet week. And like the last few weeks, only 19 condos or townhomes unsuccessful in selling and were taken off the market or expired. 80 closed sales this week. Decent week for condos and ranging in price from 65 grand to 3.3 million. Here's what's making news right now. Low mortgage rates are helping rekindle homeowners' motivation to refinance their loans, but a builder backlog, ongoing listing shortages, and rising home prices are likely to prevent a similar stampede by homebuyers hoping to take advantage of the drop in rates. That's according to the latest forecast from Fannie Mae economists, who now project home sales will grow by just 3.1% this year, down from the 3.8% annual growth predicted as late as last month. Mortgage rates have dropped yet again. The 30-year fixed rate is now in the 2.7, 2.8% range. And why is that? Slower than expected economic growth in the second quarter, plus a surge in COVID cases due to the Delta variant, has led the Federal Reserve to continue to buy mortgage-backed securities. And that tends to push rates down. Fannie Mae is now predicting that rates will stay around 3% well into 2022, much longer than originally anticipated. And the Fannie Mae economists have downgraded their forecast for home sales in the second half of this year. That drop could be a result of home builders turning down orders to give themselves time to catch up on construction backlogs. Think about that, turning down business. In their second quarter earnings calls, many builders spoke of throttling back their order books in the face of supply disruptions, high cost of materials, and scarcity of labor. While the recent surge of COVID-19 cases appears to be affecting consumer behavior, the economic response so far has been modest compared to last year's outbreak, and its impact is slightly to the downside. Last year was definitely on the upside. Fannie Mae says, quote, for the housing market at current case levels, the lack of inventories of homes for sale and continued supply chain bottlenecks experienced by home builders remain the primary constraints on home purchase activity. Moreover, while mortgage rates have drifted downward and in theory provide greater purchasing power to potential borrowers, in practice, given current supply side and affordability challenges, we expect that benefit to be limited, end quote. What does all this mean? The past 2 months of declining mortgage rates would normally lead us to expect a greater increase in home sales over the second half of the year, as rate drops typically induce more home buying. But the historically low level of inventory for sale suggests that any rate-related increase in sales will be muted due to the inadequacy of listings needed to fulfill higher buyer demand. This means more upward pressure on prices, pure and simple. Stay tuned as we watch to see what's next. Okay, that's it for today. If you'd like some specific market data on your neighborhood, just give us a call at 561-609-0657. And if you're watching this on my YouTube channel and you like the information, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons below. So until next time, this is Joe Hillner with your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty signing out for now. Go serve big, everybody, and I'll see you next week.